I am going to trust the process. I think this has potential. It can work. So you want me to play easy, but I don't want to play easy. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome on board. My name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. So over the weekend, I asked you guys which color should I be playing with again for the next video, and it was going great. Everyone was choosing the color I wanted. But then there was a twist, and you know what happened? Everyone chose the safe color. Like why? But no, I love the safe color. You have seen me doing it a ton of times, but I am going to do the unsafe color. I want to be colorful. I want it to be bright. I want it to be bold, and I want it to be yellow. So in today's video, I am playing with yellow, and I want to try a technique that I've been seeing all over the socials, but I have not tried it. And come along with me to see which colors I'm pairing up with yellow and how I'm making yellow look bright and vibrant on my eyelids. If you can see, they're brown. Yellow tends to disappear. So before I begin the video, before I start doing anything on my face, a quick question. Where are you from? Do write in the comments, and I would love to know which country you are from. So now let's begin the video. Hello, me again. I have done my eyebrows. Look, wow, bushy. And now, before I apply the eye base, let me show you how yellow actually looks on my eyes without anything. So this is the yellow I have. It is such a vibrant, pretty yellow. But when I apply it to my lids, this is how it looks, white. The yellowness is gone, it turns white and it looks really bad. So I did a little bit of research. Can you see the yellow? Clean it off so I can start with the clean surface for the base. Now, here's the thing. I've been researching and I feel that with a different base, yellow can actually look good. Just set up the basic base that I always do. If you want to know about the base, check out this video. Then we'll decide what we have to do next from that point onwards. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now, here's the thing. I have too many yellows to play with. Even the Huda Beauty palette has a very pretty yellow metallic shade. The Wet n Wild is a dull yellow, but it is still a yellow. Now here's the thing. Which color story should I be playing with? Should I just focus on this palette, or should I focus on this palette, or should I mix and match? This palette has the most beautiful yellow. This is by Makeup Revolution, and this color story is what defines me, I swear. I love colorful eye looks. And the yellow, these two, I have not tried them, but can you see how beautiful they are? This palette you have seen me use a million times. Again, this palette is by Makeup Revolution. It is their MAXI-RELOADED Big Shot palette. It's not all mattes. It has metallics, and this is mustard. This looks a bit more yellow-orange, but it is yellow. And this metallic shade I have used so many times. And there is a lighter yellow as well, if you can see this. Now here's the thing. But Huda Beauty palette has a beautiful, amazing, out of this world, beautiful metallic yellow shade. Can you see this? And I love it. Too many choices, too many options. What should I do? Oh, I know. I think this will work. I don't know, but maybe it'll work. What if I take the metallic from this one? I take the yellow, lemon yellow, lemon yellow from this palette. Okay, hear me out, hear me out. This is something I want to try. The pink. No, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, but I can do it. I think I can do it. And what if I take this blue? Okay, these are the colors I've finalized. Whatever I'm about to do is something I've not done before, but I will try not to mess it up. If you follow my videos, you know this brush. So I'm taking the pink first. I want to place it on my crease area. This is something I love about Makeup Revolution. Their eyeshadows are so pigmented. A little will go a long way. Now let me just do this eye. I'm done with both the eyes. Before I start with the second shade, I'm just going to clean the brush using the same brush. Look, it's clean, 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 clean. No shadow is coming off. This brush cleaner, it's a lifesaver, I swear. So see, no color is coming off. This color that I showed you, taking same brush, little bit of this color, dabbing off the excess, place it on top of the pink but towards the inner corner and blending it here. Now let me do the other eye. Just adding a bit more because I feel I did this side darker than this side, so I'm adding a bit more on this side. I know what you're thinking, there is nothing yellow about this look, but hear me out, hear me out. I have a look in my mind that I really want to create it. So bear with me, please. Now here's the thing. This is something I've been meaning to try, and it is called a cut crease, a full cut crease. I want to do it. I don't know how it will turn up, but I will use the trick that I saw online, placing the concealer on here and then opening the eye, and this is where the cut crease should be because this is going to be my fake crease. I have a hood obviously, so my crease will be a little above the actual crease line. So just placing it here. Let's just apply it quickly. I'm taking a different brush, and with the different brush I don't have a white base, so I am taking this white eyeshadow as a base today. So tapping off the excess and setting it with white. Outer corner, and I'm done. Let me do this eye and I'll be right back. I want the yellow to work and I want the yellow to look beautiful. So just cleaning the brush off the white, taking the yellow, and we'll start from the inner corner. Ooh, this is perfect now. I'm not blending it, I'm just tapping it. Let me just fix this side because I overdid it, and I'll be right back. Now my favorite part of every look, the metallic. I'm taking this color with my finger. Okay, this is the yellow I'm taking, placing it in the center. This is so beautiful. I'm taking the small brush for the inner corner. Okay, I'm done with this side. Let me just finish this and I'll be right back. Should I add black or brown? This is brown. This, my friends, is black. Let's do black. Okay, so I'm done with the liner, black liner. Now, ta-da! Ta-da! Now, let me just do my foundation and concealer and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now, I was thinking, what if I apply the inner corner color to the outer corner of the lash line? Will it look good? Let's find out. Taking a little. This looks very pretty. I was thinking, what if I add the metallic to the rest of the area instead of adding a highlighter? Time to find out. Let me just blend these two together. Wow. Do I want to do blue? Do I want to do pink? Do I want to do green? Do I want to do... What if we mix blue and gold? By the way, I did not give you... Sorry. The flu season is just not ending. Sorry. So, I did not give you my final verdict on the teeny tiny brushes that I used for my last video. Well, the brushes are amazing. The quality is good as well. But they're not so amazing when it comes to blending. I would rather use a big brush, a big fluffy brush. Mascara. For the blush, I'm using this ColourPop blush palette. From this blush palette, I am thinking I will use this color right here. I want this eye look and my cheeks to look rosy. Now I'm adding highlighter to the inner corners. I'm using this color of highlighter. I'm using the same highlighter for my face as well. The lip combination I'm pairing this look up with. Pink lipstick. This very mute orange in the center. So this, my friends, is my final look. What do you think? If you have to rate my look from 1 till 10, how many points will you give me? Do write in the comments. If you enjoyed my video, do give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.